everybody, this is Brett Schulman from Studio SMV right in Orlando, Florida, with the beautiful Kimberlee Hendricks. And what kind of toy you got back here?
This is a 95 Mustang. I built it myself. I bought it a couple years ago when I turned 18. I said, I'm ready to go racing. I told my father, and we found a good deal on this. Took it all the way down, built it all the way back up, and made her a track car.
Now, you know, you never know you have superstars in Central Florida. We're right here in Sanford, Florida at this incredible, I don't know, we just call it a machine shop? Is that what we're calling this? With you and your dad and your family?
We're an all-around shop.
Yeah.
We're the one-stop shop.
One-stop shop. And you got cars everywhere. It's just unbelievable. Now tell us about your next race.
My next race is going to be at Daytona International Speedway. It's going to be May 5th and 6th. I'm actually moving up from this car, and it's going to be a big event. They're going to have rally cross, they're going to have solo, they're going to have road race cars, everything you can possibly imagine, all going on all at the same time. So you can get a little bit of everything, and there's nothing like Daytona International Speedway. The next car I'm in, it's going to be 200 miles an hour.
Wow. Now where do you put the flux capacitor?
Under the seat.
That's awesome. Hey, thanks everybody. This is Kimberlee and I'm Brett from Studio SMV. You guys have a great day and check her out. And where's your website?
My website is gokimmy.com. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at gokimmy26.
There you go. Have a great day, everybody.
You turn on the switch.
Oh, the main switch.
Hey.